isikhathi sendaba zelimile esiNdebele esikubikela zona ukusuka bunqopha emzimkhulu wezokuhasha eAuckland Park eJohannesburg. Ake siqale izijujileko zanamhlanje.
When we enter this winter period, we'll have brought down that plane maintenance, and in this instance by 3,100 megawatts.
Ungqongqotjhe wezegezi uDokotela Hosien Tsuramukhupa uthi amaSewula Afrika angathukwa ayizokucindeliswa kangako igezi ebusika banonyaka amandla khona.
The main thing is that Eskom is not coming to board in talking to the communities. Young people, they still remain unemployed.
Umphakathi wendawo lapha kunedetshi zokuphehla igezi uyalila ukuthi iEskom ayibaqashi ilutsha eliningi yalisebenzi.
We genuinely are not in the market for a bailout. But what we are asking is that the SABC must be funded in order to deliver the public mandate.
I-SABC itshele iParlamente ukuthi ayiba ukuhlangulwa ngurhulumente kezemali. Ithi kunzinzile kezemali nanyana abasebenzi bangakakhutshulela umrholo iminyaka engaphezulu kwemihlanu nje. Sakwamukela mbukeli endabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku-SABC. Sanamhlanje indaba nizibikelwa nguThulani Bongo. Akwande sitshaba sekosi. Ungqongqotjhe wegezi namandla uDokotela Hosien Tsuramukhupa uthi ilizwele kuqalwe bona lifumane inkaba eziphasi zokucindeliswa kwegezi namkha ingacindeliswa. Behlisa ivalo kilabo abacabanga bona kuzokuba busika obumakhaza obunganagezi ngombana kwethulwa isigaba sesibili sokucindeliswa kwegezi izolo. Ukucindeliswa kwegezi kwamva nje kuthiwa kubangelwe kuliyeka ukubuya kwamandla angaba yi-3,120 megawatt kuye nokulahleka kwamandla ayi-1,385 megawatt. Ema-ireni ama-28 adlulileko ngenxa yokuphuka kwemtshini ebengakalindeleki.
Ungqongqotjhe wegezi uDokotela Hosien Tsuramukhupa besolajamile ke lokuthi iSouth Africa iza kuhle kulungiseni umraro wegezi. Lokhu kubonakala ngokulungiswa kwamayunithi amaningi enteyitshini eziphehla igezi ezifaka ilithabo nekusile. Isikhulu se-Eskom sokuphehla kwegezi uBheki Nxumalo uthi bakhonile ukwenza lokhu ngokusiza i-ofisi enkulu yezemali nge-252 billion yamaranda eyaphunyana ngo-2023.
Got routine maintenance, which is part of that happened daily, and then we've got the general overalls, which is mostly the capex part. That part is normally it's around 12 billion per annum. And then we've got on top of that what we call abnormal maintenance. That's when we are also doing projects, like we are putting in the emission projects in different sites.
uRamukhupa uthi kubuyisa kwamayunithi ambalwa kuriyadise kulungisa okuhlelweko nokulahlekelwa mamandla okuqagalako.
We had said that when we enter this winter period, we'll have brought down that plane maintenance, and in this instance by 3,100 megawatts. And those units have not come back.
Besolo kunentshijilo ngemtshini yokukhiqiza igezi esetshenziswa zininteyitshi eziphehla igezi. iEskom khathesi iqala ukusebenzisana okungcono nalabo abakhiqiza imtshini le.
And we have brought on closer to us some of the OEMs who are able to help us with specialist areas that have caused some of the pain points that we observe. So we are moving in that direction.
Ungqongqotjhe uthi kunekhonakala ukuthi ebusikubo kube zingigaba eziphasi zokuqindeliswa kwegezi namkha ingaqindeliswa ukutsho lokhu nabe kakhuluma ngamahlelo ukuqeda ukuqindeliswa kwegezi. Isigaba sesibili sokuqindeliswa kwegezi sizokuraga ikampani le beyisolibe kubujamilihlo amayunithi amabili weCoburg namabili wekusile kunye namane weMudupi lindleke bona buye.
Ikampani ephakela igezi iEskom ithi batsho imtshakalo eteyitshini zayo zokuphehla igezi eMpumalanga iphazamisa ukusebenza. Emvekeni embili ezidluleko kube nemtshakalo emithathu eteyitshini zokuphehla igezi iGrill, iMatla kunye neKhendela. Nguthiwa batsho umphakathi utshakalela ukuhlogeka kwemisebenzi endaweni eziseduze neteyitshi lezi.
Phakathi ehlala eduze kweneteyitshi eziphehla igezi silingeke iqeda ichukela. Amalungu omphakathi achakale ngaphandle kwestage esi afuna umsebenzi hlangana nokhunye.
The main thing is that Eskom is not coming to board in talking to the communities. Young people, they still remain unemployed.
iEskom ithi imtshakalo le ibangelwa kusatshalaliswa kwelwazi elimamala ngamathuba omsebenzi. Ithi kwesinye isikhathi imtshakalo le iphenduka imguruguru ethikazisa ukusebenza kwaEskom.
Eskom is aware of the misinformation circulating on social media about job opportunities at power stations. These false claims not only disrupt the normal operations of the power stations, which are meant to generate electricity, but they are also criminal in nature.
Umkwena ukhombela amalungu omphakathi ukuthi akhulumisane nenhlangano zomphakathi ngamathuba omsebenzi akhona kwa-Eskom.
So we advise members of the public not to visit Eskom offices nor its power stations for job applications, but instead they should wait for the normal official announcements through these community stakeholders or community reps and official publications.
Amapolisa abophamanya amalungu omphakathi stage sokuphehla igezi seGrill ngeveke pheleleko.
10 suspects were arrested at Grill on 9 May 2025. They were arrested for public violence.
Amalungu omphakathi abotshiweyo kwakhonjwe ngomuno ngemva kokuvela ekhotho kanti iphenyo lamapolisa liyaraga.
Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli ngendaba yegezi yokuthi angekhe nokho yacindeliswa kangako. Nakho umbono wakho yalandela mbukeli.
Igezi yathwenya ngikhuluma nje ngapha kubo ward 8 bo Dr Jesse Moroka namaphetelo ayikho.
Singajabula uma ukuthi uzahamba sona le stage 2 and ukwazi ukuthi uhambe emini usitedele ekseni ngoba kusuke kusesemnyama.
Ngathi basenzela more problems because ngale 2 hours bekhatha umbane izinyokanyoka zikhatha ama cable.
Laba sebasithembisa ithembisene ngakhulu zingenzeki. Sesohlala silindile nje njengoba uJesu asinike emfundisweni zakhe ukuthi asihlale silindile ngokuba usuku nehora asilazi.
Asikwazi ukuhlala singathukwa.
Fanele sithuka ngangombanyana bona ukuqindeliswa kwegezi bona abanakho mhathi ngithi kuphela ebanakho ukuqindeliswa kwegezi lapha inyama ziyabola indlela zimnyama mhathi.
Babethe bayalisana tu nocimicimi walombane kodwa ngoba bayawubuyisa emva koko bathethe izitori hayi zisengxakini apha.
Sithembe ukuthi udokotela uqinisile nakatsho njalo ngombana kulapho igezi izabe ibereka khona kakhulu ebusika.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. I-SABC ithi ayisisebujameni bokuhlangulwa nguhulumende kezemali kodwa indabakulu ibesendabeni yokusekela kwayo ngemali ekubogabogako. I-SABC ivele eParliament phambi kwekomiti echeje ama-account ombuso namhlanje lapha ebeyiphendula khona mayelana nemraro embalwa ecaleni nayo.
Umnyango wezokuthindana nezetheknoloji ubuka i-SABC ngokuphatha kwayo imali uthi kunomehlukwana nokho.
In my view, has gone far better than what it used to be since the new board took over. They have actually stabilized SABC.
Nanyana kunjalo ngokomthetho i-SABC ifanele ilandelele umthetho wokulawulwa kwemali i-Public Finance Management Act kanti ithi izibona ibotshwe izandla ngehlangothini lokuphalisana. Lokhu kuthinta ukukhula kwayo ekuliya ukungenisa kwayo imali nokwenza inzuzo.
The current funding of the SABC is unsustainable. It would be remiss of me not to say that. We've spoken about the competitiveness in this industry, whereby there's new competitors that have entered our market and we are genuinely unable to compete at the speed of change.
Ikomiti iyavuma.
And the decision from a policy perspective that needs to be made by both the government and by Parliament. Either the SABC gets the capital, access to the capital it needs, or we narrow its mandate.
I-SABC izokalise ukuthwenyeka ngendaba yoqinyo ke-analog yathi batsho izokuba nomthelelo omumbi ehlanganweni yezokurhatsha le. Uchabedi uthi batsho bayawavuma amachuguluko we-digital kodwa na uthi kufanele enziwe ngendlela efaneleko ukwenzela ukuthi i-SABC ingalahlekelwa ababukeli. Ngehlangothini labasebenzi ibhodi ye-SABC ithi iyazi ngokulimala ngokomkhumbulo kwabasebenzi okwenziwa kungakhutshulelwa imiholo. Eminyakeni emihlanu edlulileko abasebenzi be-SABC bakhutshulelwe kanye imiholo bakhutshulelwa ngamaphesenti asithandathu kwaphela. Ibhodi le ithi njenganje ibuyekeza indaba yemiraro yokukhutshulwa kwemiholo kwanonyaka.
Umkhandlu otshejeza abasebenzi kezefundo uthwenyekile malungana nesibalo esikhuphukako sabotitshera abafunyana bamlando ngamacala okuziphatha kumbi kezomseme. Eminyakeni imali odluleko, umkhandlu lo ufumene ukuthi abotitshera abama-39 bamlando ngamacala okukhahlumeza abafundi ngokomseme elizweni elizombelele.
Umkhandlu otshejeza abasebenzi bezefundo uthi ayanda amacala amalungana nokuziphatha kumbi kwabotitshera kezomseme. Uthi uyathuwelela umkhobo ukuthi abotitshera banande bakhahlumeza ngokomseme namkha bakhwatshalaza abafundi. Umnyango wezefundo uthi iye khona abotitshera bayahlolwa kodwa abanye baragela phambili kunjalo nokwenza into ezingazisikwezi.
Some people get vetted. Once they are in the system, then they get involved in criminal activity. So vetting is not a guarantee whatsoever. In fact, we should be careful not to place too much trust in the vetting.
Mnyango lo uthi akusilula ukurarulula eminye imraro emalungana nokuziphatha kwabotitshera ngezomseme.
There's a further complication. There are cases where male teachers are involved in sexual relations with girl learners. When we want to intervene, the families tell us that they've already resolved those matters outside the framework of the law.
Umkhandlu lo uthi uzokuragela phambili nokufikela abantwana kulabo abazitshela ukuthi bangaphezulu komthetho.
Akusimnandi phakathi komphakathi weLimpopo nomnyango wezefundo esifundeni malungana negadango lomnyango lokufuna ukuvala isikolo esidle ingidigidi zamaranda endaweni emakhaya idumela ngaphandle kwemalamulele.
Ababelethi bathi bakulungela ukulwela abantu ababo ukuthi bangakhutshwa esikolweni esi. Isikolo esisezingeni eliphezulu esisakhiwa ngo-2017 kanti sinamaklasi abunane, umakhiwo wokuphathwa kwesikolo, ikhwichi kunye nomakhiwo ebowufanele usetshenziswe njengebulungelo lencwadi kunye nelaboratory yamakhompyutha.
My second child started school here when it was opened. At the time, they promised to bring us additional teachers. To this day, they still haven't done so.
We don't have grade 7 here. It's not like we don't have it. We have it. It's just that we don't have the teachers.
Ikosi yendawo ithwenyeke khulu ithi umthangalasisekelo wesikolo esi uzokuphenduka indawo yenilelesi nange ingahlanganiswa nemalamula primary school.
The reason why we allowed this school to be open, we wanted to make it easy to other children traveling from afar to go and study.
Umnyango wezefundo eLimpopo uthi nanyana uzibophelele ekusekeleni isikolo esi kodwa ngeke ukhona ukuqatsha abotitshera abangezelelweko nange isibalo sokuzitlolisa kwabafundi esikolweni esi kusesephasi.
This particular school that we are talking about is not growing as I've indicated. The enrollment keeps on declining, and as such, we cannot be deploying resources where there are no learners.
Minengi imthangalasisekelo yenkolo engasebenzi kwesifundeni esi ngemva kokuhlanganiswa kwezinye zenkolo.
Nasibuya entolo. Kuhle kuyafanelwa ngemgwalo nemkhiqizo ephothelwako emqalisweni we-Africa Travel Indaba 2025. Sikhulumisana nomphathi kamasipalata wethembisile uDumsani Mahlangu. Indaba zisekhona laphambukile kanina zikuphundileke uyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Yaraga i-Africa Travel Indaba ka-2025 eThekwini lapha kuqaliswa khona ngemkhiqizo ekhiqizwa nganeno ekhethu ukuthi ibonwe bavakatshibukeli abavela emazweni ngamazwe. Umasipalata wethembisile ulapho naye uphetha bosaziwa kukezobugwala inthahake zokuphothela bonazi yokuveza amakhono wazo nazo kulomqaliso odume iphasi lonke. Kani emtatweni sikhulumisana nomphathi kamasipalata wethembisile uDumsani Mahlangu. Akwande Mndungwenkosi kusendlalela ukuthi kwenzekane emqalisweni we-Africa Travel Indaba 2025.
Sulani siloshise ababukeli be-SABC Indaba. Umasipala ubuyile ihlandla lesibili ngapha eThekwini sila Inkosi Albert Lutfuli International Convention Center. Njengoba utsho ihlelo size nabo hlangu ukuthi umasipala sekane partnership formal nofuko. Unyaka lo nama-SMMEs siswale ethile abothando bakhona namanye ama-SMMEs bali khomba nabapheleleyo kwesizwe nabo ukuthi at least bazokwazi ukuthi bakhombise ukuthi ithembisile kunani nasesithi sifuna abavakatsha babuya nge-Afrika babuya enarheni ezinye ukuthi yini esinayo singumasipala. So siyacabanga ukuthi njengoba kuyilanga lesibili namhlanje ukuthi kuningi esikwazile ukuthi sikuthole sikuzuze singumasipala thula.
Mkhalangana mhlamunye njenganyana uveza ukuthi ke bakhona namkhazikhona ingwali nabakhwari abahlukahlukeneka abafana nogogo uNosinki nabothando Mahlangu njalo njalo. Nangakhe usibeke ngamehlo omkhumbulo ngathi ukufikela khathesi kusebenzeka kuhle kangangani nabo njenganyana nikhambe nabo bokutshengisa ngemisebenzi wabo.
Sibarekisana kuhle kakhulu njengoba sitsho ukuthi ikhanseli yangakwamasipala yathatha isinqumo sokuthi nakungugogo yena sokubereka naye kuya phambili. Unyaka ophelile kugogo besinaye unyaka lo njengoba ngisho ukuthi balikhomba abasomahwebo abasomabhizinisi abasasebancane sazi ukuthi sibanikele iplatform efana nale. Unyaka ophelile bebayi-3 kuphela. So siyacabanga ukuthi ukuya phambili nakhona siyatshintsha sibuyi nabantu abafanayo. And lokhu sikuyenza siberegisana ne-local tourism organization ekhona ngakwamasipala ukuthi njalo nawomasipala ezako azotshengisa nabo ukuthi okay ihono esinalo ngakwamasipala ngiliphi. Siyazi ukuthi sokuletha abantu abahlukileko eminyaka nomnyaka nasisakhonako ukuthi size singumasipala. Cabanga ukuthi iplatform enkulu le njengoba ayisabizwa ngokuthi i-South African Tourism indaba seyibizwa ngokuthi Africa Travel indaba. Ngoba na uthi uyaqala ama-province oke akhona khona ukuthi uye ngalo uye nge-Africa uthola abo-Gambia uthola abo-Uganda abo-Lesotho kuya njalo nanjalo thola.
Mahlangu siyathokoza.
Thokoza thina, thokoza kakhulu, thank you.
Loyo bekade kungumphathi wethembisile umhlonitshwa uDumsani Mahlangu obungqopha le eThekwini lapha khona kune Africa Travel indaba. Asiragele phambili. Kanina sicala ke zimali randa liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Ngebazumini sihlahla niphethe ziphi ngapho?
Sithokoze bonke silotshise umbukelo khona usekhaya ngolosithathu namhlanje lihlelo elikhethekileko. Namhlanje sikhambisana nehlangano. Ihlangano le ifunela abantu abatsha umsebenzi. Indaba lesi isusela embalobalweni zayizolo elikhitshwe liziko elenza imbalobalo enarheni le la kuvele khona ukuthi inengi labantu abatsha enarheni yeSouth Africa abasebenzi. Ingakho ke namhlanje sibizele ihlangano izokwazi ukuthi isize abantu abatsha bathole imisebenzi. Ayibasizi kwaphela ukuthi bathole imisebenzi. Batsho kwesinye isikhathi bakhona ukuthi babanikele imali bakwazi ukuthi bazithomele wabo amabhizinisi. Siyabawa ukuthi abantu abatsha babeke khuluke indlebe namhlanje njengombana nandi sizo lezemisebenzi siletha kibo. Sithokoza ithuba.
Uthokoze thina sibulo tshane ekhaya napho ubujamo bezulu kubonakala kunganalitho liningi elenzekako pheze inarha yonke izinkomba zomoya lezi ubona uphembetha kanti ke ngale ngelimpopo sibona lapha ke ligubze sengamafu kusasa ke esikubonako ikhonakalo yomlilo wemango ngale ngenjengalanga yeSouth Africa kuthi ngapha ke ngabo Cape Town nakezinye indawo siyabona nje ukuthi kungaba nekungu ekseni abantu batsheje nabatshayela kona ngale ke endaweni zangempumalanga sicala lapha ke amazinga okuchisa iyaphola iPitori nge21 neBrancospruit nalapha eSprings ngemva kwamadina ukuthi ke iJohannesburg yona iphole nge22 iLimpopo ibonakala ifuthumele endaweni eziningi iphole lapha ePhulukwane nalapha eLphalale nangale ngeThaba Zimbi ngale ngempumalanga sibona ke nakhona noma kulala kuvuka kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda siyaphola lapho bomhlanga isikhukhuza iyafuthumala nge26 kwaZulu Natal bonakala ke yona ke ifuthumele pheze indawo zonke ngaphandle kweKokstad ngemva kwamadina yona ke ithi ukuba makhazana kanti ke ngale nge-Eastern Cape sibona ke indawo eziningi nakhona kufuthumele noma ebusuku nekuseni kuzaba amakhaza njengendawo eziningi nangale ke ngeJingalanga Kapa pheze kunjalo futhumele kamnandi ke iCape Town nge-27 iNorthern Cape bonakala ke ifuthumele nayo kamnandi ke ngemva kwamadina lapha eDa khona ke kupholile nge-23 kanti ke lapha eFree State sibona ke iKokstad nayo ke ipholile nge-23 ngemva kwamadina pheze indawo yonke ifuthumale ke ezinye indawo iNorthwest kokugcina nayo noma ilala ivuke imakhaza kanti ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda naso siyaphola asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi silandelako Dido
Kwanamhlanje kulungile sikhona indaba zeSiswati kusasa Ngiukhobongile